Ever wondered how some businesses seamlessly manage their appointments, client lists, and online presence all from one platform? Have you ever thought about making your services readily available to a wider audience, streamlining your booking process, and ultimately growing your business without the headache of manual scheduling? Well, if you're a service provider looking to elevate your operations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Vagaro, a powerful all-in-one business management software designed for salons, spas, fitness studios, and more. And specifically, we're going to break down one of its most fundamental features: how to effectively set up and manage your services on Vagaro. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, getting your services correctly listed on a platform like Vagaro is crucial. It's not just about listing what you offer. It's about presenting your services in a way that attracts clients, clearly communicates value, and ensures a smooth booking experience. Think of it as your virtual storefront, meticulously organized and always open for business. We'll cover everything from adding new services and setting prices to customizing descriptions and assigning staff. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to optimize your Vagaro service menu to maximize your bookings and impress your clients. So, let's stop talking about it and start doing it. The very first step to making your services available on Vagaro is to log into your Vagaro Pro account. You can do this via a web browser on your computer or through the Vagaro Pro app on your phone or tablet. For this tutorial, we'll primarily focus on the web version, but the steps are largely similar across all platforms. Once you're logged in, you'll typically see your dashboard. This is your command center, offering a quick overview of your daily operations. To get to the service setup area, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. On the web version, you'll usually find Settings at the top of the screen. On mobile, it's often under a More or three-dot menu icon. Once in Settings, look for a heading or option related to Things We Sell or Service/Class menu. This is where the magic happens for all your offerings. Within the Service/Class menu, you'll see tabs for Services and Classes. For today's focus, ensure you're on the Services tab. Here, you'll see any existing services you might have, or a blank slate if you're just starting. To add a new service, look for an Add button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking this will give you a couple of options: Vagaro Service or Custom Service. Let's talk about Vagaro Service first. Vagaro offers a pre-populated list of common services for various industries. This is a fantastic time saver, as these services come with pre-written names and descriptions that are optimized for search and clarity. If your service fits one of these categories, simply select Vagaro Service, browse the list, and choose the one that applies. For example, if you offer a deep tissue massage, you can likely find it there. Once selected, Vagaro will automatically pull in a suggested title and description. While these are great starting points, remember that you can always edit them later to better reflect your unique offerings and brand voice. Now, if your service is highly specialized or simply not on Vagaro's predefined list, you'll want to select Custom Service. This gives you complete control. You'll be prompted to enter a service name. This is what your clients will see, so make it clear and descriptive. Think about what a client would type into a search bar to find your service. For instance, instead of just cut, you might put men's haircut or women's haircut and style. Next up is the description. This is your opportunity to truly sell your service. Don't just list what it is. Describe the experience, the benefits, and what clients can expect. Are there any special products used? What makes your service unique? Aim for a description that is informative, engaging, and helps clients understand the value they'll receive. Vagaro recommends descriptions of at least 100 characters, and for good reason, more detail often translates to more bookings. After the name and description, you'll typically set the sell price and duration. The sell price is what you'll charge clients for the service. Vagaro also allows you to enter a business cost if you want to track how much it costs your business to perform the service, excluding employee wages. This is a great feature for internal accounting. The duration is incredibly important as it dictates how much time is blocked off on your calendar for the service. Be realistic about the time needed, including any setup or cleanup. You can even add a cleanup time to automatically buffer appointments, preventing back-to-back scheduling headaches. One of the most crucial steps is assigning employees to the service. Under Performed By, you'll see a list of your staff members. Simply toggle on the switch next to each employee who is qualified and performs this particular service. Vagaro also allows for individual pricing per employee if your staff members have different rates for the same service. This flexibility is a huge plus for diverse teams. You'll also find options to categorize your service. Vagaro automatically adds categories for its pre-existing services, but for custom services, you might need to create a new category or assign it to an existing one. Categories help organize your service menu and make it easier for clients to navigate your offerings online. Beyond the basics, Vagaro offers a range of advanced settings that can further optimize your service. You can enable mobile services if you offer services at a client's location, allowing you to set a service area radius and even add a travel fee. There's also the option to attach add-ons to services. These are additional, smaller services or products that clients can choose to enhance their main booking, like an aromatherapy upgrade for a massage or a deep conditioning treatment for a haircut. You can set prices and durations for these add-ons, and even make them required if necessary. Consider the Show Online toggle. This determines whether the service is visible and bookable on your Vagaro listing page and your website. If you only want a service to be booked in-house by your staff, you can hide it online. You can also choose to show service only, which means the price won't be displayed until checkout, or show service and price, which is generally recommended for transparency. For services with varying prices based on staff, you can opt to show price as starting point, displaying the lowest possible price. Finally, Vagaro allows you to integrate with other powerful features. You can set up a points given and points redeem system to reward loyal customers, integrating with your larger loyalty program. You can also attach resources needed for the service, like a specific massage bed or styling chair, to ensure availability. Once you're satisfied with all the details, simply hit Save, and your service will be added to your menu. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.